If you guys are sick and tired of being broke, watch the videos, and I want you to know this isn't some fluff theory I'm talking about. Every single point I talk about is a point that I executed in my life and has proven to be fact. Hey guys, before we dive in, I want you to know my second 6-week boot camp is launching in September. The link is in the show notes. You can go check out testimonials, see what it's all about. But if you own a business, you want to be held accountable, and you want to be given an actual plan that's going to help you get to the next level, then it is for you. Click the link right now in the show notes. All right, step number one, if you're sick and tired of being broke, is you need to stop listening to people that are poor and getting their advice on how to make money and be rich. The number one thing most people do that holds them back is they get the advice from the wrong people. They're asking their friends, they're asking their family members of how to be rich or what they should do in their business or what they think about their business idea. Those are the wrong people to be talking to. You should never be taking financial advice from somebody who isn't where you want to go. So that is step number one. Step number two, and I know this is a hard one for a lot of people, but you must live debt-free. There is no ifs, ands, or buts, no credit cards that are racked up that you're paying monthly payments on. You shouldn't be paying monthly payments on vehicles. You should be driving vehicles that you've paid in cash. Even if they're run down and dumpy, it doesn't matter. We're reinvesting all of our dollars back into the business, so in return it can grow bigger, therefore pay us more in the near future. Inside of our business, we only have two things that we're focused on at this stage in our life. The first one is getting new customers. Our goal is to build our customer list as big as possible and as fast as possible. And the second thing is giving our customers an experience that they've never experienced before, so much so that they will shout our name from a mountaintop because they are so impressed with our service and our business. Those are literally the only two things you need to be focused on right now. All the other stuff doesn't matter. New customers makes you more money, and giving them a great experience gets them coming back time and time again. Alex Hormozy says volume negates luck. And I love that, because if we're being honest, at this stage in your life right now, if you're broke and you're sick and tired of it, you're going to have to put in a massive amount of volume, which may feel like you're being a little bit lopsided inside of your life of what your priorities are. But if you want to make it in business and you want to make a lot of money, you have to have your priorities a little bit lopsided at this stage of your life. That's why it's so important to have people who are on board with the mission that you're going after, because this stage of your life is hard, it's demanding, and it is lopsided. You will be putting more focus on this than almost anything else in your life for this period of time. And last but not least is you just have to understand that if you do this every single day, you wake up, all you think about is how do I get new customers? You go after it. How do I create a great customer experience? You make it happen day after day after day after day for 3 years straight. Your financial situation today from 3 years from now will be so drastically different you will not even recognize the person you are in this very moment. The one thing that holds every single person back from executing on this plan is simply doing it. And not doing it once, not doing it 3 times a week, doing it every single day for 3 years. If you're actually sick and tired of being broke and you do this, your life will change.